Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers. Good day, my viewers. I am TeacherPatrick by name. So today I'll be taking you physics, and this is a Unidel post UTME pass question, and the topic is temperature scale. So here goes the question. The length of mercury thread when it is at 0 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, and at unknown temperature theta is 25 mm, 225 mm, and 175 mm respectively. The value of theta is dash. We should find the value of theta. Solution. Okay, so now this is a temperature scale question. Okay, so there are things that you need to know about temperature scale. So since they're specifying on degree Celsius, we're going to use one for degree Celsius. Now I'm going to draw. Okay, so now 100 degrees Celsius, theta is here, and 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, now this 100 degrees Celsius here, this one is what we call the upper fixed point. While this side is what we call the lower fixed point. Please take notes. Upper fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius. Lower fixed point is 0 degrees Celsius. Now, for this to be the 100 degrees Celsius, I mean this is more like the body point of what? Water, which is 100 degrees Celsius. Why? This 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of what? Water. Okay? So let's move on. Now, take note. At 100 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, and at unknown temperature, theta is, so follow suit. 0 degrees Celsius will rhyme with what? 25. So I'm going to put 25. So 0 degrees Celsius will rhyme with 25. I'll put 25 mm here. Okay. Let's go. Next one. 100 degrees Celsius trace is going to rhyme with 225 mm. So I'm going to put 225 mm here. 225 mm. Okay. So let's move on. The next one, at unknown temperature theta. So trace unknown temperature theta is going to run with what? 175 mm. So trace 1 for theta. Trace 175 mm. Okay. So the next thing you do is to what? Is to get what we call the fundamental interval. Wow, what is fundamental interval? Fundamental interval is the difference between the upper fixed point and the lower fixed point, or the difference between the boiling point of water and the freezing point of water. Okay, so take note, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to say 100 degrees Celsius minus 0 degrees Celsius over theta minus 0 degrees Celsius. Go to the next one. Follow suit. What you did here, that's what you're going to do here. 225 minus 25. 175 minus 25. Okay? So 100 minus 0. You're still going to have what? 100. Theta minus 0, you're still going to have theta. 225 minus 20, you're going to have what? 200. While 175 minus 25, you're going to have 150. Okay? So, let's move on. So let's go. So what do you do here? When you get to this point, the best thing you do, you cross multiply. Okay? So once you cross multiply, what are you going to have? Theta times 200, you have 200 theta is equal to 100 times 150, you have 15000. So when you get to this point, what do? You divide both sides by what? 200. So theta is equal to 15000 divided by 200. So what do? We can cancel the zero out. Cancel, 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 cancel. Theta is equal to 150 divided by 2. You have 75 degrees Celsius. And that is the final answer for this particular question on temperature scale. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for viewing. I still remain Teacher Patrick. Like, share, and comment. Bye bye.